Let's look at a final exam challenge problem for this stage. This problem is one that usually only 1 or 2 top students in a class can get right. If you can learn Teacher Lizzie's method, then you will be that top student. Let's look at the problem together. The problem asks us to calculate 8,888 multiplied by 7,777 divided by such a large number. What does it actually equal? Many students, upon receiving this problem, immediately think about doing the calculation. But calculating is not only prone to errors, it also wastes a significant amount of time during the exam. Actually, once you master the method, it's very simple. Today, Teacher Lizzie will teach you a trick, palindromic numbers, to solve it with ease. What are palindromic numbers? Please take a look here. For example, like 1 times 1, we calculate that it equals 1. This is simple. Now, if it's 11 times 11, do you know what that equals? Well, if you can remember perfect squares, you can just recite it directly. If you don't remember, please use this mnemonic, pull the sides apart, add the middle, and you'll solve it easily. Look, there are 2 ones here. Pull the sides apart, add the middle, and it equals 2. 121 solved with ease. And then you have to tell the teacher, what does 111 times 111 equal? Here, I would suggest you first use the vertical calculation method to figure it out, and then use the pattern later on. The teacher will set up a vertical calculation, and the result is 12,321. Now that we've written this down, I believe some students with a good sense of numbers have already discovered the pattern, right? Look, here we have 1, 1, so the middle is 1. With 2 1s, the middle is 2. With 3 1s, the middle is 3. Hey, so what if it's 4 1s multiplied by 4 1s? Good, I'm sure you can quickly find the result, which is 1,234,321, solved with ease. Because numbers like this that read the same from left to right and right to left are what we call palindromic numbers. So can't we solve this problem now? Let's take a look. First, for the numerator 8,888, how can we rewrite it? We can rewrite it as 8 multiplied by 1,111, right? Then 7,777 can be rewritten as 7 multiplied by 1,111. At this point, we have finished dealing with the numerator. And what about the denominator? Well, since the middle digit is 4, we can break it down into 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s. So, can't this problem be easily solved now? Look, this 1,111 cancels out with this one, and this 1,111 cancels out with that one. In the end, what's left in the numerator is 8 and 7, which is simply 8 times 7, giving a result of 56. Easily done. Did you learn it? If your phone still has more than 1% battery, could you give the teacher a free little heart?